How to get out of depression. I'd make a video since I've been going through a lot of depression. I wanted to make a video on how to get out of it. So first of all, exercise. Just exercise does wonders for your mind, and it releases endorphins, helps you feel a lot better. And so exercise, number one. Get enough sleep, number two. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and eating the right foods. Eating the right foods, I was really eating junk food for a while, and that was destroying my mental health. And I wasn't sleeping well. I was staying up all night, things like that destroyed my mental health. So, and then as far as the exercise, man, it just gives you momentum, and that's all you need sometimes is just momentum. If you're struggling with depression, go and do 10 push-ups. It might seem small, but go and do 10 push-ups. Every time you're feeling it, do 10 more push-ups, 10 more push-ups. Or if you feel like doing more, or if you feel like doing 5 or whatever, just something to get your endorphins going a little bit. Socializing is such an important key. I've isolated myself so much in my life, and that led to a lot of depression for me. So I don't know about you guys, but when I struggle with depression, a lot of times I'm isolated. And so go out, socialize, try to meet with people. Try not to stay inside your own box, your room, because that will really destroy your mental health. If your room's dirty, try to clean it. If your car's dirty, clean the windows or spot. You know, that really helps, because when you're in the same spot, I don't know, there's just something about being in the same spot that just can destroy your mental health. And also reach out to God and just be like, God, I'm feeling crappy. Talk to him about it. I love talking to him about it, because he's always there to listen. He's the best listener. So thank you so much. God bless. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.